What's up, guys? Welcome to the channel. We have a great one for you today. This is a special video. It is our 1,000 subscribers special unboxing, and we have one heck of an unboxing to do for you guys. All right, this has been almost a year in the making, guys. Thank you so much for supporting this channel. Thank you for supporting my dream and sharing the RC hobby with all of you and all of the viewers. Thank you so much for being here. I'm so humbled that you guys are watching this channel. I have some absolute diehard supporters out there. You guys know who you are. Thank you so much. I can't tell you what this means to me, and let's get right into it, guys. We have an absolutely spectacular RC to unbox today. Mrs. Radioactive and I have been together for a while. She was my first kiss in junior high. So she wanted to do something extra special for me because this is not an easy thing to do, to build this channel to what it is. And I couldn't do it without you guys. So this is just as much your unboxing as it is mine. She wanted to get something that we have not had in our collection. We needed a big 1/6 scale, 1/5 scale short course truck, and it came down to another Losi. We had our 500 subscriber special right down there at the pond, and we unboxed the epic Losi DBXL 2.0. Wow, what a video that was. And this is our 1,000 subscriber special. So here it is, another Losi. We have the Losi Super Baja Rey 2.0, the King's Shocks Edition. Wow. All right, guys, I can't even put the camera up here. It is that big. All right, let's get this thing out of its shell and see what features that Losi is giving to us with the new version of the Super Baja Rey. All right, guys. Oh my, guys, that thing looks epic. Oh my gosh, let's get it free. All right, let's take a look at this, guys. Wow, the Super Baja Rey 2.0. This thing is awesome. Look at this. Losi race inspired. Gotta love this stuff, man. This is just crazy. Love the telemetry. Wow, guys, I've heard a lot of good things about these shocks. Comes with a couple light bars. Wow, you can even run it without the body, it looks like. 2 spare working tires. Wow. Looks like you get the Spectrum system, the 168S. Wow. Oh my gosh, guys, 750 kV. The DBXL has a 780 kV. What's up with that? I thought the DBXL was a bigger model. This thing is supporting a 750 kV motor. Wow. Looks like we got a 1/5 steering servo and DX3 transmitter. Wow, guys, this thing is awesome. Okay, I can't wait anymore. Let's get this thing out of the box. All right, guys, check it out. Factory sealed. Oh, wow, guys. The smell, the look, the feel of a new RC. All right, guys. Are you ready for this? Oh, I'm so ready for this. All right, let's take a look. Oh my gosh, guys. Oh my, this is so awesome. Oh my gosh, guys. Oh, the plastic is plush. Oh, look at that, guys. Wow. Oh my. All right, let's get it out of the box and let's quit drooling.
Don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase. So catch me if I fall.
Wow. All right, Radioheads, this is my favorite part. All right, guys, partake in it with me. Here we go. Oh, it's so sexy, guys. Oh, I love this RC. Losi sure knows how to make one great RC. Oh my gosh, guys, this is so cool. Oh, how cool is this? Oh, all right, we're almost done. Oh, it's almost free. All right, hang in there, we're almost there. Oh, yeah. Yeah. There it is, guys. Wow. What an incredible RC. Oh my gosh, guys. King off-road shocks. I have heard a lot of great things about these shocks. Wow. I bet we could just bounce these things up and down all day. Wow. Real rubber underskirting there. Wow, look at that light bar. Just incredible. Wow, those tires are actually really solid. I guess they have to be to stand up to a 750 kV motor. Wow, this thing is nuts. Look at that. Warning, hot. Oh yeah, she's hot, all right. Wow, guys, this thing is gonna have so much fun, and I am going to have a reason to finish off this track and to make something special for this RC. Look at this, oh my gosh. All right, let's check out that backside. Ooh, look at that. Great tires, great setup, look at that. Realistic jack, not real, but definitely realistic. Wow, look at this thing. What a solid axle. Wow, that thing is a hoss. I guess it's gotta be to handle that 750 kV motor. Look at that travel. Wow. Oh my gosh. We could just do that all day. Let's just sit here and watch it bounce, guys. Wow, guys, this thing is so cool. Even they agree. Driving this thing is going to be a blast. Wow. You know, this is, I haven't had a whole lot of trophy trucks, stadium trucks, short course trucks, whatever you want to call them. I just haven't had a whole lot of experience with them, mainly because I would have a hard time deciding. Of course, Arrma came out with the Mojave, and I really wasn't a fan of the green or the red. Then they came out with the EXB, and that is actually on the ranch. Very, very durable, a hardcore bashing RC. However, it's not really realistic. And then we checked out the Traxxas UDR, and that is incredibly scale, very plush suspension. That thing is just all about slow-mo takes all day long. But unfortunately, it wasn't that durable. And if you guys have seen what we do to RCs on this channel, we are not easy on them. We bash the heck out of them. And I do enjoy working on them, but I do enjoy driving them and not having them break at inopportune times. So that's where the Losi Super Baja Rey comes in. Just an excellent in-between model. I say in between because it is very scale, very just look at down to the details, everything. And it looks like their decals situation has been sorted out. The decals look very well on this model. So, but it is the in-between model because it is very scale and it is durable. So I feel like we get to have our RC and drive it too, so to speak, with the Losi model. Golly, look at that, guys. Just, incredible. Let's take a look underneath. Wow, let's see what we get. Looks like we've got a bottom loading battery tray, and we've got our Spectrum EC5 connectors up there that we will be using our Spectrum batteries on. Wow, look at those links. Those are some beefy links. And that drive shaft, that thing is huge. Looks like it has metal ends, a plastic composite middle. And it looks like that is our access to our motor and transmission. We'll definitely be getting into there and stiffening up the center diff. I am sure of that. Wow, that axle is looking stout back there. Everything is looking stout on this thing. This thing is a hoss, guys. Wow, I am so excited. We're gonna be building this thing out. However, it's not quite like the DBXL. We're not having a ton of parts coming for it. I have exactly one upgrade coming for this, and you guys can probably guess what that upgrade is. This model is known for its sagging here on the back portion of the bed of the truck, and we want to brace that and support that to make sure that we don't have any tire rubbing or anything like that. We don't want this prematurely breaking, so we do have that upgrade coming. But other than that, guys, this is supposed to be a bulletproofed model, and I am excited to be testing it out. Wow, look at this thing. The lights, just the realism. Lots of slow-mo coming from this, guys. We are going to have some really cool scale videos. I can't wait to share with you guys. Look at this thing. Look at this. Just up, down, up, down. I could do it all day. Wow, I feel like a kid when I unbox these RCs. It's like Christmas time, guys. Look at that. Just planting the power down. I can just see it. Can you guys see it? Can you guys visualize it just now? Right? Oh my gosh, guys, this is amazing. All right, well, I guess there's only one thing left to do. We need to get it in the stable with the rest of the RCs so it can acclimate and make some friends. Thanks for joining us on another episode of Radioactive RC Ranch, and we'll see you Radioheads on the next one.